Hi, I'm Chris with John Wayne Service Company. Today we're installing a brand new electric water heater. It's an older home. The folks living inside were beginning to run out of hot water. Checked into it, turned out we had some components that were bad. So we decided to go ahead and upgrade the system completely with a brand new water heater. Let's go take a look. So an installation like this generally takes about 3 to 4 hours. The old tank, of course, has to be completely taken out. All of the old valves, fittings, all the old pan and everything, all completely comes out. At John Wayne Service Company, we're going to start over all new from top to bottom for a completely safe, reliable water heater replacement. So this particular water heater does feature a 10-year warranty, and it does have manual thermostatic controls on the front of it. So if a homeowner were to leave like these folks do on one of their trips, they can turn that down to a vacation mode, save on their energy bills while they're gone, come back home and easily turn it back on again. So from time to time, the homeowners do have family that come in and visit. We made sure that we got an appropriate sized tank as far as capacity goes, not to where they have so much that it costs them on their monthly bills to keep it hot, but enough that it will be there when family arrives so they don't run out. I'm Chris with John Wayne Service Company, and if you've got questions about your water heater, give us a call or visit us at johnwayne.com.